Okay, this one, there are so many different ways that you can do it. Um, well, the way that we initially taught you is to remember that the vertex here and here is the vertex. Okay, it's the opposite of this, and then it's this number. Okay, that's the vertex. That's what we originally taught you. So if you remember that, then right away you know the vertex, I need to have a -3 in here. And so it's going to be C or D. Okay. Then it's going to pass through this point. So the next thing that you can do is plug these points in and see which one it actually equals. However, during our EOC review, we also taught you that you can just put it in Desmos. And so I'm going to put all four of these in Desmos really fast. So let me move it over here and I want to show it to you. Okay. So the first one is y equals 2x plus 3 squared, not squared, caret 2, yeah, because it's squared, and then plus 7. And I'm going to put the second one in. So I have a red one. I'm going to put y equals negative 3/4 x plus 3 squared. Oops. Oh, I messed that one up. Hold on. 3/4 x plus 3 squared minus 7. The next one, where's that at? There it is. It's down there. And then our next one is y equals 2x minus 3 squared minus 7. I didn't do y equals. I did 7 for some strange reason. Y equals. And then our last one is y equals negative 3/4 times x minus 3, and then 2 minus 7. Okay, so there's our 3 lines. Now we're looking for the vertex of 3, 7. Well, that tells you right there. It's one of those last 2. And that's what I originally showed you. The vertex is always this, it's C and D is what we call it. Okay, C and D. And it's the negative C and D. So it's the opposite. So if my form says the vertex is 3, -7, then I know it's going to be one of these 2 down here. Okay. So now I know it's one of these 2 lines. Now I'm just looking for the one that passes through 1 and -10. Okay. Passes through the point 1 and -10. Let me show that to you again. 1, -10. So down here, there's 1, -10. So that means it has to be the purple line. Okay? So that's how you do that problem. It's this one right here. Next problem. You put it in Desmos. Let me show you. Here we go. So we're going to erase all of this. We're going to put the table in. If you see a table, put it in Desmos. I hope you guys did that when you took the test. Okay. have 3, 10, 17, 27, 44. Oh, wow. Wait. Mess that up. 3, 10, 17, 27, 44, 64, oops, 86, 112. Oops, 112. Okay. Now, how do you know what formula to put in? Look at your answer. We talked about this. You have choice of 3 formulas that we work with. You have the y equals mx plus b. You have y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And you have y equals abx. Looking at these answer choices, which one do you think I would use? The giveaway is the squared, guys. It's this answer. That's the one I'll use. Okay. So now I go to Desmos and I put that in. I put y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, for it to read this table, I have to do a little bit of computer coding. I have to tell it we're looking at y1. So I'm going to say y1, and all the x's need to be x1. So it knows to look at that. There it is. Oh, that must not be right next to the x. Let me get right next to the x. Oh, nope, I know what the problem is. I have to say tilde. See, if it's still not working, I remember to put tilde. There it is. So there's my answer, y'all. A is 0.721. So A is 0.721. 0.7, okay, 72. There's 1. So it's either this one or this one. It's not this one. Okay. And then is there a B? Let's see. Yep, there's a B. 0.15 maybe. There it is. This one doesn't even have a B. So it's not that one. So that tells me it's G. Okay. That was page 4. Do we have time to do page 5? Yes. Let's go ahead and do page 5. Okay, you have a couple of ways you can do this. You can put each of these into Desmos. That's what we've taught you to do. Or you can factor them and see what the solutions are. Honestly, I would put it in Desmos. So let's put each of them in Desmos. Again, when you're putting these in Desmos, put the parent function. So the parent function is f of x equals x squared. Actually, on this one, you're not comparing. You're not looking for a transformation. So you don't have to do that. F of x equals negative x squared minus x minus 6. Okay, that does not look like this because look, see this one, how it's way up here? Do you see that? And do you see that this one is below the x-axis? So that's not it. Okay, so we can cross that one out. La, la, la. Now we don't have to change so much. That's just kind of nice about these. You don't have to retype the whole thing. So this is the same for all of them. And the next one is plus x. Plus x. So we change this to plus. And there's a plus x plus 6. Plus 6. Ooh, let's take a look at that one. So our zeros are, let me see if I can make this bigger so you can see it. Our zeros are at 1, 2, 3, and -1. So let's go back here. Nope, that doesn't work because that's not our zeros. So that's not it. So, but it looked closer. Well, not really, because it was way up here, huh? So it really wasn't. Oh, I have a 66. Wait a second. I messed up. Oh, now let's look. Okay. Let's see. 3, -2. Could it be -2 on here? I just wasn't big enough. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's -2. Oh, that's it right there. That looks like the same one. Let's see. Up here, our y-intercept is 6. Let's make sure our y-intercept is 6. Y-intercept. Yep, 6. See right there. That's it. We got our answer. That was nice and quick. So there's our answer. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Again, you can put these in, or when they're factored, you can already see, like this is the zeros are 4 and -1. Well, that's not it. So it wouldn't be that. Do you see that? The zeros are -4. No. And 1. No. No. So that one's not it. So now we can put these two in and see if this works. So let me put them in. Oh, I was going to move this one over so you all can see this, what I'm putting in. F of x, not a negative. So we'll take that out. X squared plus 4x minus 1. Minus 1. Let's see if it looks the same. So it goes through 0, 1. It goes through, I know this because it's showing 0, 1, and it goes through -2, 5. So 0, 1, well, -2, -5. I think that one's it. There it is. So it's B. See that? There it is. Okay, last one. Factored form and standard form. Okay, factored form looks like this, because that's how we factor. Remember? X, X, and then we have minus 4/3, because you do the opposite. So minus 4/3, and you have -2. So you have y equals, there is our factored form. Now to get standard form, you're just going to make the box. Remember that box? Let me move me over here so I have room. So there we go. So you have x minus 4/3, x minus 2. So we get x squared, -4/3 x, -2 x, and a negative times a negative is a positive, and so that's 8/3. If you didn't know how to do that, you're just going 2 over 1 times 4/3, and you multiply straight across. Okay, so now we just simplify this out. So we have x squared. Okay, merge these two together. Now, if you don't know how to merge those two together, go -4/3 plus a negative right here. -4/3 plus a -2. Put it in fraction form, -10 thirds. Okay. Nice thing about using Desmos is you can -10 thirds. You just do everything on the calculator. And then plus 8 thirds. So here's factored form. And here's standard form. Right there. Okay. Okay, we're going to stop there, and I will do the last page in one last video.